Corruption Board.
Lagi ganyan yung issue.
Pinakakorap na gobyerno sa mundo.
Internal Revenue or BIR promotes fair taxation and economic stability through awareness and education. The agency's mission is to strengthen accountability and responsibility in paying taxes, which aligns the goal of the Center of Fair Economy Development or CFED, the proponent of this project. The Pay Right Build Nation project is an 8-month program targeting 500 youth and adult learners in barangays. This project aligns with the BIR's mission to educate students and citizens, reminding them that paying taxes is not only a duty but also a way to build a stronger and fairer nation.
It also fosters a culture of civic responsibility where taxpayers contribute to societal progress and a nation's fiscal health. By paying the right amount of taxes, citizens help create a fair system that minimizes corruption, promotes accountability, and strengthens the country's foundation for sustainable growth.
Bilisan mo takbo, ilagan mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo mo. Toto'y tumalong ka, tumapa kung kailangan, at baka tamaan pa ng mga bala.